It is green gungo time in Jamaica, so this tells us that Christmas is nearby. And normally during the gungo season, a lot of Jamaicans throw red peas aside and cooking green gungo. So I'm going to show you how I cook green gungo. So in the pot is about 3 cups of water. Didn't measure it, but I think it looks like 3 cups. So because gungo takes a short time to cook, about 15 minutes, I am gonna season the pot. So I am adding one green hot pepper, piece of fresh green thyme, and garlic, ginger, and scallion. So first I use a knife to beat the scallion to wake up the oil, and then I'm gonna wring the scallion to bring the oil out. So I am putting the pot on medium heat, then cover it and allow it to come to a full boil before adding the gungo. I'm using the red stock scallion because the flavor is much stronger than the white stock scallion, and I'm not using pimento seeds because I didn't feel like using any. If you will be following this recipe and you want to use pimento seeds, go ahead and do so. So now that the water has come to a full boil, I added the gungo, cover the pot and allow the gungo to cook. So the gungo is cooked. It takes about 15 minutes the most, as I mentioned earlier, and the gungo is cooked. So if you notice, a lot of water is not in the pot. You want to make sure that a lot of water is not in the pot before adding the coconut milk, right? So now I'm going to add the coconut milk, give it a good stir. I already added enough salt, so there's no need to add more salt. And I'm not going to add any powdered seasoning either. I'm going to keep it as natural as possible. So I'm going to half cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to come to a full boil before adding the rice. So it's time to put the rice in the pot. I wash 2 pounds of Alberta white rice. Wash until the water runs clear. My family does not like basmati, neither jasmine rice. I cook it a few times and they complain, so I just use Alberta or Blue Ribbon, or there's another one, I don't remember its name right now. I think it's from 80. Yes, that rice is so good. Yes, whenever time I can get my hands on it, that's the rice I use all the time. Anyway, when you add the rice to the pot, make sure that the liquid is about 3 inches over the rice. You don't want it to be more than that. Okay, you should be able to see the rice and the peas. If you're cooking rice and peas or whatever, even plain rice, it should be 3 inches above the rice. That's the liquid, should be 3 inches above the rice. So I do not add butter, neither margarine to my rice and peas. The coconut milk is enough. It contains everything. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook on high heat until the liquid dissolved. The coconut milk dissolved, so I lower the heat to the lowest settings, and then I am going to put a piece of foil paper and cover the rice. This will create steam, so I'm going to steam the rice, as we say in Jamaica. I steam the rice for about 15-20 minutes. So the rice is cooked, turn off heat, and then I am going to remove the hot pepper, the scallion, the thyme stem, and the ginger, and yeah, all of them something there. However, I am gonna let the garlic remain. I'm gonna fluff the rice, mash out the garlic into the rice. And then I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the rice to sit in the pot for about 5 minutes before dishing out. Yeah, so this is how I cook my Gungo rice and peas, or this is how I cook red peas as well. Yeah man, so if you enjoy this recipe, beg you for a thumb up. Also, you know, you can share my videos, leave a comment if you want to. Hey man, thanks for watching. So this is another Christmas recipe because Gungo is only available during the Christmas season and a little bit after the Christmas season in Jamaica. So it's basically a Christmas recipe, right? Yeah man, stay blessed, one love, Jah guide and protect, bless up every time. Walk good until next time. Peace.